So this is the Citizen Inn, Pioneer Square. And it's an absolutely gorgeous little pod room. Should go in and review this hotel.
French music.
Exactly. It's also an interesting library of books. Didn't say it was in 1906. So marvelous. And it's an absolutely gorgeous little pod room. Seattle Airport. This place is gorgeous. I absolutely love hearing people's conversations when I walk by. What is that? Ironing room. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Green. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. This is nice. Oh, look at the bathroom and the lighting. Hey, it's got my name here. Beautiful hangers. I don't know how to do. Oh, another light. I like how all the lights are labeled. Whoops. Oh, that's when you leave. Whoops. Okay. Must be a different setting. I hear the air conditioner kick off. 2 mirrors right next to each other, which is okay. The lighting is really warm, eh? Workspace. It's like they put the phone all the way up there. You got control. I think it actually has a pen. I've never seen a pen before. Hotel Aegis and a notebook. I mean, really. Don't even move, man. See? It's in Scandinavian, French, German. It's got this cool book selection. Apparently 4 of these weird books are in the gift shop. Oh, here we go. Oh, this artwork's interesting, eh? It's got the mail on it. It's got the cargo ships. It's funny, I get like a welcome thing, and the first name is still spelled wrong. I understand typos, but how you do it in pen? Am I mistaking my own name? When's a pen marker, I wonder? Bathroom. The colors change. Oh, that's how you get into the shower. Oh, wow. Oh, this feels so nice. Wait, so the shower door opens. And you're here. Don't know if you can see through. The toilet's fascinating as all heck.
Was it a bidet?
I don't know. It's got all these buttons. Let's see. If I shut the doors. Oh, this is so marvelous. And of course, toilet view. I don't know. Okay, toilet view. I feel like the colors keep changing. Listen, it's just orange. It's got this like glass instead of tile. Look at that. You can see through the toilet paper. That's why you bring your own. Nice tails. Funny thing is that this door is warped. But we're ignore the warped door for a moment. Oh, this is so cool. I could hang out here for like an hour. Quick, give me the laptop. Oh, this is so neat. We have to figure out what these buttons do in a moment. Ventilation is pretty good. Closet space is actually ample, I believe. He says the room's small, but actually it holds the luggage just fine. I don't have an issue. Sink area. Oh, there's a hair dryer. There is... Oh, look, it lights up. Oh my god, it's got a little mini fridge. I didn't know I had a fridge, and it does. So free filtered chilled water at the canteen. Probably pay for it, I don't know. Man, if I can find some orange juice now, we'd be all set. Vanity light? Oh, that's a vanity. Cool. mirror light. It's rounded, which is great. So you don't, when you walk into it, you don't bruise your ribs. Oh man, it's dark. That's how these people commute. They actually get this line here, pay their thing, and the thing comes in. Oh, it's coming right now, actually. And you got these smaller ones right here I've never seen. Oh wow, even the crane's got fancy colors. Or neon. Oh, seagull. Yeah, watch, I probably like this one better. Citizen M hallway. Spheres. No citizens behind this point. That's funny. It's got like a dystopian thing to it because every room number is a number. So I'm citizen 905. Right. Citizen 923. What's artwork too? Interesting. Beautiful lighting and black ceilings. Lake Union, Gansford Park. Oh, this is all. Oh, cool. The carping is like a map. It's satellite imagery. It doesn't go around though. Look, now I'm on a highway. I wonder if the corner room is any bigger. Fortunately, next time I ever come here, I might have to get a bigger room. I just want something cozy. Most of this isn't for. I don't know. I don't think it's like a family hotel. And you know, I get that because it's trendy, but at the same time. Oh, they do have a microwave. Candy, sodas. This hotel might win the entertainment award if its television list is accurate.